Hi, good afternoon. I am Adya Kumar. I am an associate partner with Third Sector Partners. We are an executive search firm which does a lot of senior leadership and CXO level hiring in the impact space and in the impact sector. I keep on coming here to the college and I meet Archana ma'am every now and then, and we've done a lot of hirings here from the students and taken students in the past, I would say about 7-8 years, and we do that repeatedly almost every year as per our requirement. This place, the professors here and the students, I've seen the change they have put in the students, the change that has come to the students in their worldly knowledge, their efforts to make themselves better than what they were earlier. And it gives me pleasure to come here, to meet, to talk to professors. And my message to the youngsters who are there today is the world is changing every day. Just keep yourself abreast to face anything. Make sure you read enough, make sure you learn about what's happening around you. It's not only your country, you have to know about the world. Because when you're going to be dreaming about the dream of a conglomerate where you're going to be working eventually, you need to follow how they are reaching there, right? That's when you will reach there. So don't also take decisions in a hurry. Life is not only about work, better salary. Life is much more. Life is about your own self, what you like to do. Take out time to spend with your families, with your parents, with your friends. It is equally important.